So I'm still on Black Ranch Road. Gotta shift gears here. Just made it to the top of the hill. Now we're gonna coast downhill. Did you ever wonder why they call this Black Ranch Road? Well, I'm going to show you right now. You see that sign up there? It says Black Ranch. So that's why they call it Black Ranch Road. You can see it's really beautiful. People have horses over there. Nice red barn. I'm going to zoom in to see a little better. Yeah, there's the barn. A few horses. Then nice pasture. This pasture's not irrigated, so it's pretty dry. Beautiful place. Black Ranch and Black Ranch Road.